How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys have seen by the title and thumbnail, we have a very special video for you guys on the new mod for the AT4. And we have a very special package here that I'm about to show you from, you can see here, we got from Venom Trucks. And guys, this mod has got to be the easiest to do to your truck, the easiest to install, and also, like I've said before, but especially with this mod, it makes the biggest difference. So let's get into it, guys. You can kind of see by the package or the sticker what this mod will be, but let's see what comes in the package if you guys do choose to order this. So let's open it up. You guys will get a Venom sticker, also a little install guide on how to install these kits, even though they're very straightforward. And then you will get the 2 harnesses that will pretty much just be plug and play, as I will demonstrate for you guys. You will have the 2 harnesses here, and we will pretty much get under the hood and show you guys how to hook these up, and kind of we'll do a comparison between the white DRLs that the AT4 comes with versus the amber DRLs, which will be these harnesses right here from Venom Trucks. And big shout out to Venom Trucks for sending these out to us, and they look amazing. But let's get into the install. All right, guys, so as you can see, we are under the hood here, and pretty much where these harnesses are going to be hooking up will be right to your original, you can see right here, your headlight hookup for your connection to your actual headlight. And I will show you guys the comparison. Let's start on the driver's side here. So as you guys can see, you will have your harness for your headlight coming right up through the bottom of the truck pretty much. And it will be this harness here. If it does look a bit different on ours, we do have a running board harness here too, which is hooked up to the headlight. But if you guys do want a better install video, I highly recommend looking at Venom Trucks. They have a great install guide there. But let's get into just how easy this is to install. So pretty much as you guys can see, I will be plugging this side, which is just your white headlight, into, we'll see how well I can film this for you guys, into your headlight harness, which is back down there. All right, guys, so hooked up that connector in, and again, this is just your white headlight to show you guys the difference. And then on this side, this will be the amber DRL. So let's get into that. All right, guys, so hopefully this is a good angle for you. This is our original harness from the truck, and this is the connector for your amber DRL, the Easy Quick Connect. So obviously you can see we have a female end on the Quick Connect for the amber DRLs, and we have a male on the existing from the truck. So you're gonna obviously want to plug in female to male right here. And obviously it only fits one way. Click her in like that. And then this is a locking tab here. So you lock it in like that. And then the hardest part, honestly, on some of these trucks is how tight the quarters are, but it's still no issue at all. So you're basically just gonna wanna plug it in to the truck. Like this. There we go. So now we have this side clipped in to the truck, and then we have the white DRL on this side. So I'll start it up and show you guys the difference. All right, guys, so here's the difference. As you guys can see, we have the amber DRL on the left, and we have the normal white DRL that comes on your truck from factory. And look how much better that amber DRL looks. It looks so much more aggressive. on your truck. And also, guys, in the night time when your full headlights are on, this amber DRL will go white. Like for your full headlights, it would all match. You wouldn't just have a amber DRL with a white headlight. This would all match. And just in the daytime, when you're on auto on your headlights, you will see the amber DRL, which looks so amazing. And we're so happy with the look. But let's get this right side hooked up and show you guys the finished product all complete. All right, guys, so here again, we have the white DRL connector that comes from on your truck. And then we have the Venom Trucks amber DRL. Guys, this install doesn't get any easier. You're just matching up male to female pretty much like that. Click her in, and you want to lock the tab. And then again, you just want to plug it in. All right, guys, let's take a look at the finished product and look at how much better the AT4 looks now, guys, with these amber DRLs from Venom Trucks. Once again, guys, huge shout out to Venom Trucks for sending these amber DRL kits out to us. And look at how much they transform your truck in the aggressive manner now that it presents on the road. And also, guys, way better than the white that come on your truck, in my opinion. I just love them. And if you guys are looking to pick some of these up, there will be a link in the description below. Make sure you check that out. Check out Venom Trucks. They're great install guides. They're great people. They will take care of you. So check them out. And that will wrap up this video today, guys. If you did enjoy the video, or obviously love how the amber DRLs look on your truck, please drop a like. Also comment down below on what you think of them, and please subscribe. We will see you guys in the next video.